In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Articuno in Cobbleverse. So the first thing you want to do is you want to find a giant tower that is located only in snowy plains biomes, and inside that tower is where you're able to spawn Articuno. So if you're doing this in regular survival Minecraft, then what you will need to do is you will need to make your way towards snowy plains and then look from there. Keep in mind that this structure may be a little bit difficult to find, but obviously if you have commands turned on, you could also use the /locate command. For simplicity purposes, I'm going to be using that command, but remember, snowy plains is where you want to look if you want to do it in survival Minecraft. So let's do /locate structure, and then Cobbleverse right over here, and then you're able to go ahead and actually select on Articuno, then press on enter just like so. From here, it is going to let you know the coordinates to the nearest one, so go ahead and teleport to there. Alright, and then once you do that, it is now going to bring you to a tower that looks like this. So this is the Articuno tower. If you see a tower like this, you are good to go. You can go ahead and actually begin looting it. So in order to actually spawn in Articuno, you want to first enter the tower. So you should find an entrance right over here. See up here it is. Then you're going to see like a chest and you want to open it up and it is going to give you a glacier feather. Now take your glacier feather and place it on this altar right over here, and then as you're able to tell, it is now going to go ahead and spawn in Articuno. And then from here you can capture it using a Pokeball. Now it's actually going to take you to the very top of the tower. So as you're able to tell, we're now here in the top, and if you actually break this center block and keep on breaking it, it is then going to open up this room over here, and you're going to see a barrel that's going to have some ice gems. They're also going to have breeze rods with some wind charges and even diamond boots as well. So some pretty decent loot for you guys to go ahead and get started. But that is how you find Articuno in Cobbleverse.